afternoon. Good afternoon. This is Dhanasri, Assistant Professor of Biochemistry, KVR Government Degree College, Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. Now I am going to explain about our college for the purpose of screencastify recording. So this is our college website, KVR Government Degree College for Women. The college is located very near to railway station in Kurnool, and it is a prestigious college started in the year 1958. Previously, it was Governor's Bangla. And if you see the history of our college, this is the college which caters the higher education needs of the women in Rayalaseema region, which attached to student management hostel and nearby 1100 students. It came into existence from 27th July 1958 by Government of Andhra Pradesh through the initiative of the founder donor Sri Kasireddy Venkat Reddy and named after him KVR Government College, and has been working for the cause of women education and women empowerment since its inception. It is located in over an area of 13 acres of land near railway station in Kurnool. I am working in the Department of Biochemistry since from 2005, and this is my biochemistry department. And history of our biochemistry department, the biochemistry department established in the year 1958, and it is the first women's college in the Kurnool sector introduced biochemistry at UG level. And the vision of our course to be recognized as a center of excellence in biochemistry that provides an atmosphere to acquire skills in identifying the link between biological and human resources and transform it into enhance the quality of life, to provide leadership in training excellent manpower to guide the course of education, industrial development, research capacity development, and public service. And the highlights of the departments, we are having equipped laboratory, achievement of 100% results, organizing medical camps, having MOUs with clinical laboratories, Red Cross blood bank, medical colleges, etc. And the course is BSc Biochemistry with a combination of biochemistry, zoology, chemistry. And some of the and the faculty here is myself, Dhanasri, and activities. I want to show some of the activities carried out by our department of biochemistry. So we used to celebrate our ozone days, and we used to conduct quiz, blood donation camps, AIDS awareness programs, field visits, and so on. And the various activities have been conducted by different departments. And I want to show about our college highlights. So these are the highlights of our college. It is the first linguistic state, Andhra Pradesh, formed in 1953. Raj Bhavan was constructed for governor's residence at Kurnool, was kept vacant for a long time. Then the Deputy Chief Minister Neelam Sanjeev Reddy took initiative, and with the help of philanthropist KVR, the first women's college was started on July 27th. So thank you for giving me this opportunity to expose our college. Thank you.